So now let's discuss the outputs to this process. These are resource management plan, team charter, and project documents updates. We will be discussing the outputs for the remaining part of this lecture. The resource management plan is the component of the project management plan that provides guidance on how project resources should be categorized, allocated, managed, and released. It may be divided between the team management plan and physical resource management plan according to the specifics of the project. The resource management plan may include identification of resources. These are the methods for identifying and quantifying team and physical resources needed. Acquiring resources. These are the guidance on how to acquire team and physical resources for the project. Roles and responsibilities include role, authority, responsibility, and competence. Role is the function assumed by or assigned to a person in the project. Examples of project roles are civil engineer, business analyst, and testing coordinator. Authority is the right to apply project resources, make decisions, sign approvals, accept deliverables, and influence others to carry out the work of the project. Examples of decisions that need clear authority include the selection of a method for completing an activity, quality acceptance criteria, and how to respond to project variances. Team members operate best when their individual levels of authority match their individual responsibilities. Responsibility are the assigned duties and work that a project team member is expected to perform in order to complete the project's activities. Competence is the skill and capacity required to complete assigned activities within the project constraints. If project team members do not possess required competencies, performance can be jeopardized. When such mismatches are identified, proactive responses such as training, hiring, schedule changes, or scope changes are initiated. Let's discuss the project organization charts. A project organization chart is a graphic display of project team members and their reporting relationships. It can be formal or informal, highly detailed, or broadly framed based on the needs of the project. For example, the project organization chart for a 3,000-person disaster response team will have greater detail than a project organization chart for an internal 20-person project. Project team resource management. This is the guidance on how project team resources should be defined, staffed, managed, and eventually released. Training. This contains training strategies for team members. Team development refers to the methods for developing the project team. Then we have the resource control. These are the methods for ensuring adequate physical resources are available as needed and that the acquisition of physical resources is optimized for project needs. It includes information on managing inventory, equipment, and supplies throughout the project lifecycle. A recognition plan. This plan lays out information like which recognition and rewards will be given to team members and when they will be given. The team charter is a document that establishes the team values, agreements, and operating guidelines for the team. The team charter may include team values, communication guidelines, decision-making criteria and process, conflict resolution process, meeting guidelines, and finally the team agreements. The team charter establishes clear expectations regarding acceptable behavior by project team members. Early commitment to clear guidelines decreases misunderstandings and increases productivity. Discussing areas such as codes of conduct, communication, decision-making, and meeting etiquette allows team members to discover values that are important to one another. The team charter works best when the team develops it, or at least has an opportunity to contribute to it. All project team members share responsibility for ensuring the rules documented in the team charter are followed. The team charter can be reviewed and updated periodically to ensure continued understanding of the team ground rules and to orient and integrate new team members. project documents that may be updated as a result of carrying out this process include assumption log. The assumption log is updated with assumptions regarding the availability, logistics requirements, and location of physical resources as well as the skill sets and availability of team resources. And risk register. The risk register is updated with risks associated with team and physical resource availability or other known resource-related risks.